I'm here at Pompano Beach Marine Max, demonstrating a new fun Seachoice product. It's a 28011 steering locks for hydraulic steering. A lot of these boats, when they're on a trailer, they have the hydraulic steering and there's a tendency or potential for the boat to slide back and forward while driving. These steering locks fit around the cylinders in a way that prevents the steering from going side to side while driving. So you see it snapped in there. You've got a bungee cord to kind of keep them together. You know, if you're gonna lose them, you're gonna lose them both, but this helps keep everything together. Come over to the other side. Use the yellow thermoplastic handles that are fit exactly to these cylinders. Here, it will snap it into place. Just like that, as you can see. Yellow makes it easy to find when, you know, it might be in the bottom of your toolbox or somewhere in your garage. Classic Seachoice yellow always looks good. But as you can see there, firm, snug fit on both the port and starboard side. That's going to prevent any movement in the steering while driving. I can even hop in the boat, turn the steering wheel and show you I can't move it anywhere. Very handy item. I hope you see the value in this quick demonstration, and hopefully you want to try them out for those of you that are using hydraulic steering and trailering your boats.